We're bored, so we're gonna duct tape someone to a pole.
Who should we duct tape?
Peyton.
No. No! Oh gosh, please, no! No!
This is the first roll of duct.
This is an Alberta emergency alert. Environment and Climate Change Canada has issued a possible tornado alert. This alert is in effect for Calgary. At 9:40 p.m., a rotating severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado is located over northeast Calgary, moving southeast at 15 kilometers per hour. Communities in the path include City of Calgary. If you are in the affected area, seek shelter immediately in a basement or reinforced structure. Get low and put as many walls between yourself and the storm as possible. Stay away from windows, doors, and outside walls. If you are on the highway and cannot avoid the tornado, seek shelter in a ditch or ravine. For details, visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.
Now Peyton is duct taped, nothing under him. He's crying inside, as you can tell.
This is his idea.
Peyton, how you feeling?
I can't breathe.
So subscribe.
We let Peyton!